Hello everyone. So, dear learners, start with today's problem 1984. Minimum difference between highest and lowest of k score means हमें एक डिफरेंस चाहिए जो हाईएस्ट नंबर एंड मिनिमम नंबर के बीच का होना चाहिए. तो लेट्स रीड द प्रॉब्लम एंड अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट constants and with the example, and then we will solve this problem. You are given zero index array nums where nums I represent the score of ith student. Pick the score of any k student from array so that difference between the highest and the lowest of the k score is minimized. Return the minimum possible difference. Problem says that there are one array nums given where nums of I represent the score ith students in which score are given under the in the array. You are also given integer k, 1k also given. So pick the score of kth students. Then select the kth students. If k is 2, select 2 students. If k is 3, select 3 students. And arrays show difference between the highest and lowest. And in this group, we have the highest marks and lowest marks. Then the difference between highest and lowest of the kth score is minimized, in which we want the minimum difference of that groups. Let's example 1 is given that nums 90 means it have only one score. If k equal to 1, then it have only one pair is 90, and in which 90 is highest and 90 is lowest, then 90 minus 90 is given 0. And the next problem is 9417. Here k is 2. K is 2 means we will select two pairs like 944117 9141. Every elements every time we select two pair from this. Explanation given means first of all select 94, then 9 minus 4 is 5, then 91 97 41 47 17. Every pair we can select from this which have two values, and the difference of this is given, and we want the difference which are minimum, and here we have difference 2, then the answer becomes 2. The construct is I equal to k, I equal to less than k, and nums of length and k is between 1 to 1000, and nums of I is between 0 to 10 to the power 5. Now we will understand the problem in copy, then we will solve this. And how to solve this problem, let's do by the code. Now we will understand by the example nums 9417. If k equal to 2, then we will select two pairs like 94 91 97 41 47 1 and 7, and then we will find the difference of that. 94 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 7 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, 7 4 minus 7 is 3, 7 minus 1 is 8, and we want answer which have the minimum difference, then this becomes answer. And now what we will what to do, so the selection of these becomes easy. If we sort this array like sort, if we sort this array 1 4 7 9, then selection of this becomes easy like 1 4 this, and this will gives answer easily. Let we select if k बराबर 3, एग्जाम्पल कोई भी एग्जाम्पल मान लेते हैं. लेट 8 4 3 2 9 एंड 8, ओ सॉरी 7 मान लेते हैं. if k equal to 3, we will select three numbers like this and this, any numbers. फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट सॉर्ट द एरे. सॉर्ट मीन्स 2 3 4 7 8 9. If we sort this array, then selection of three numbers like first pair 2 3 and 4, in which we had one maximum and one minimum, and the difference of these is 2. If we select 3 4 7, maximum minimum, 7 minus 3 is 4, and next 4 7 8, 4 7 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 7 8 we will select, then 7 8 9, 7 8 9, 9 minus 7 is 1, then this will give the answer. I think you understand the algorithm. In this we will select one I, and I goes from 0 to k minus 1, and then this minus this gives difference. And if I बराबर 1, then k minus 1 is this. If I बराबर this, k minus 1 is this. Means आई भी इंक्रीज हो रहा है एंड के भी हमारा इंक्रीज हो रहा है उसी टर्म से. नाउ वी विल solve by code java. First condition, if n equal to 0 or 1, if n is less than equal to 1, बड़ा कर लेते हैं. If n is less than equal to 1, then return 0. Then now we sort the arrays dot sort nums. We will first initialize, and if n is less than equal to 1, then answer becomes 0. Then we will sort the array. After this, we will initialize the minimum difference. Int min difference equal to integer dot max value. Okay, then we will let the for loop for for int I equal to 0 से start करना है. Then it have also, because k pairs, then I plus k minus 1 minus 1. This is less than nums dot length, nums dot okay and I plus plus. We will use for loop for selecting the pairs. If I बराबर 0, if k बराबर 0, you can select nothing. If k बराबर 1, we will select one pair. If k बराबर 2, we will select two pair. If two number of pairs, if k equal to 3, then we will select three number of pairs, and then find difference of these. Int difference, and difference is the highest and lowest. Highest is nums I plus k minus 1, and the lowest is I think minus nums of I, because this is the highest term and this is the lowest term, and this will give difference. uh, if difference, and we also want the minimum difference, then min difference, min min difference is equal to math dot min. किसका min चाहिए हमें? मिनिमम डिफरेंस और डिफरेंस. min diff comma diff. Okay, this gives minimum difference of, this is difference and this is minimum difference, then this give only minimum value. If difference is minimum, give difference, and minimum difference is minimum, then give minimum difference, and then we will return return min difference, because we want minimize the value. Okay, now run this problem. If n is less than equal to 1, return 0. If here, sorry, here at the place of n is k, because there is no any n. Okay, problem runs finally correctly, and thank you. If you not understand, then watch again. And this is, I think, very simple problem, because the first, if you initialization of array, because if you sort the array, then the selection of pairs becomes very easy. By this, we will select every pair. If we initialize, we will select continuously two pairs and the difference between, and then put put in difference nums of I plus k and nums of I. Nums of I is minimum and उसके आगे वाला मैक्सिमम होगा. इफ एनी अरे मान लो इसको सॉर्ट कर देंगे तो क्या होगा? पहले स्मॉल, फिर उससे बिग, फिर उससे बिग, फिर उससे बिग, और जो लास्ट बिग में से स्मॉल वाले को हटा देना है. देन वी विल फाइंड, एंड दिस इज गिवन बाय दिस. And you will also understand the for loop, where to where, from select from 0 and nums dot goes to nums dot length, and every time we will select number of pairs. How many number of pairs? This is given by k. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.